Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're starting English speaking course level 1. If you're a beginner and want to speak English with confidence, this lesson is for you. In this lesson, you'll learn greetings, introductions, daily use sentences, common questions, and simple conversations. Watch this video until the end and repeat every sentence after me. Let's get started. Part 1. Greetings. 1. Good morning. Good morning. 2. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. 3. Good evening. Good evening. 4. Good night. Good night. 5. How are you? How are you? 6. I'm fine. I'm fine. 7. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. 8. Welcome. Welcome. 9. Thank you. Thank you. 10. You're welcome. You're welcome. Part 2. Introducing yourself. 11. My name is John. 12. What's your name? 13. I'm from the United States. 14. Where are you from? 15. I'm a student. 16. I'm a teacher. 17. I'm 20 years old. 18. How old are you? 19. I live in New York. 20. I speak English. Part 3. Daily life sentences. 21. I wake up early. 22. I brush my teeth. 23. I take a shower. 24. I get ready for work. 25. I eat breakfast. 26. I go to school. 27. I go to work. 28. I come back home. 29. I watch TV. 30. I go to bed. Part 4. Asking questions. 31. What is this? 32. What is that? 33. Where are you? 34. Where do you live? 35. What are you doing? 36. What happened? 37. Who is he? 38. Who is she? 39. Why are you late? 40. When will you come? Part 5. At home. 41. Open the door. 42. Close the door. 43. Turn on the fan. 44. Turn off the fan. 45. Bring me some water. 46. Please sit down. 47. Stand up. 48. Clean your room. 49. Help me. 50. Let's eat. Part 6. At school. 51. May I come in? 52. May I go out? 53. Please repeat. 54. I don't understand. 55. Can you help me? 56. Open your book. 57. Write your name. 58. Read this sentence. 59. Do your homework. 60. Listen carefully. Part 7. Shopping. 61. How much is this? 62. It's too expensive. 63. I'll take this one. 64. I want to buy it. 65. Do you have this in another color? 66. Can I get a discount? 67. I like this. 68. I don't like this. 69. That's fine. 70. Thank you for your help. Part 8. Common English expressions. 71. I'm busy. 72. I'm free. 73. I'm tired. 74. I'm hungry. 75. I'm thirsty. 76. I'm happy. 77. I'm sad. 78. I'm excited. 79. Don't worry. 80. Take care. Part 9. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I want to learn English. English is easy. I practice every day. I can speak English. I am improving. I will not give up. I am confident. I enjoy learning English. I can do it. I will succeed. Part 10. Mini conversation. A. Hi. B. Hi. How are you? A. I'm doing great. How about you? B. I'm doing great too. A. What's your name? B. My name is Michael. A. Nice to meet you. B. Nice to meet you too. Conclusion. Awesome job. Now I'm going to teach you 150 more daily life American English sentences that native speakers use everyday conversations. Part 1. Greetings. Hi, how's it going? How are you today? Nice to see you again. How have you been? What's new with you? It's great to see you. Long time no see. Hope you're doing well. How's your day going? What have you been up to lately? It's been a while. Glad you could make it. How's everything? Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Part 2. Talking with friends. What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to hang out later? Let's grab a coffee. That sounds like a great idea. I'm just kidding. You made me laugh. I totally agree with you. That's interesting. Tell me more about it. I can't believe it. You're right. No problem at all. Let me know what happens. I'm here if you need me. It was fun talking to you. Part 3. At home. I'm cleaning my room. Can you help me with this? The house looks great. I need to do the laundry. Dinner is almost ready. Please turn off the lights. I'm watching TV right now. Could you open the window? It's a little cold inside. Let's tidy up the kitchen. I'm taking a quick shower. Where did you put my keys? The living room is cozy. I'm relaxing at home today. Let's order some food. Part 4, Eating and Dining. I'm really hungry. What's for dinner? This food tastes amazing. Could I have some water, please? I'd like to order a burger. The meal was delicious. Can I see the menu? I'm full now. Would you like dessert? Let's eat together. This coffee is perfect. I'll pay the bill. Enjoy your meal. I need a quick snack. That was one of the best meals I've had. Part 5, Shopping and Market. How much does this cost? Do you have a different size? I'm just looking around. Where can I find this item? Is this on sale? I'd like to buy this. Can I pay by card? That's a little expensive. Do you have it in another color? I need to return this item. The price is reasonable. Could you help me find something? I'm looking for a gift. This is exactly what I need. Thank you for your help. Part 6, Traveling and Going Out. Let's go for a walk. I'm heading downtown. What time are we leaving? The weather is beautiful today. Let's take some pictures. I'm excited about this trip. How long will it take? We're almost there. This place is amazing. Let's explore the area. I need directions. Which way should we go? The view is incredible. I'm having a great time. Let's come back again. Part 7, Work and Study. I'm working on a project. Let's get started. I'll finish it today. Can you explain that again? I have a question. That makes sense. I'm learning something new. I need more practice. Let's review the lesson. I'll send you the details. Good job. Keep up the good work. I'm almost done. Thanks for your support. We did a great job. Part 8, Talking with Family and Relatives. How is everyone doing? Give my regards to your family. It's nice spending time with you. I missed you. How was your day? Let's have dinner together. Thanks for coming over. I'm proud of you. Take care of yourself. Call me when you get home. I'm happy to see everyone. We should meet more often. Have a safe trip. I appreciate your help. Family is important. Part 9. Phone Conversations. Hello, this is Mike speaking. Can you hear me clearly? I'll call you back later. Sorry, I missed your call. Thanks for calling. Hold on for a second. Let me check that. I'm on my way. Please send me a message. I'll text you the address. Talk to you soon. Have a good evening. Thanks for letting me know. I'll keep you updated. Goodbye and take care. Part 10. Common Daily Life Sentences. I'm running late. Everything is under control. Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it. That's a good point. I'm not sure yet. Let me think about it. Sounds good to me. I can handle it. That's exactly what I mean. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Take it easy. These 150 sentences are common American English expressions used in daily life for conversations with friends, family, relatives, shopping, eating out, traveling, work, study, and phone calls. They are excellent for beginners who want to speak English naturally and confidently. Today you learned basic English greetings, introductions, daily use sentences, common questions, home expressions, school vocabulary, shopping conversations, and speaking practice. Practice these sentences every day to improve your English speaking skills and build confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.